Assalamu alaikum class. This is your English teacher. Today we'll start our grammar work. First, you have to make a grammar portion in your English copy. Take at least half of the copy for the grammar portion. And you have to make a title page for creative writing in which you have to mention these topics: essay, letter, application and story. Then you have to make another title page for essay and then copy these essays from your book, grammar book. Page numbers are already mentioned here. The first one is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on page number 225. Second is sports and games on 233. Third one is a road accident on page number 231, and the fourth one is the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on 224. After copying these essays, you don't have to copy these stories. You just have to learn these stories from your book for your exams. Now, make another title page for letter and then copy both of these letters from your book. The first one is on page number 246 to congratulate your brother and sister or a friend who has got a brilliant success in examination, and the second one is on page number 247 to your uncle thanking him for the birthday gift. After copying these letters, you have to make another title page for the application, and then the first one is for fee concession on 242 and the second one is for remission of fine on page number 243. You have to copy both of these applications from your grammar book in your English copy. Now, these are some important instructions for you, class. What you have to do, you have to make a grammar portion in your English copy, and for that you have to take at least half of the copy. Make proper title pages, like the first one is for creative writing, the second one is for essay, the third one is for letter, and the fourth one is for application. And you don't have to copy stories from your book. You have to learn these stories from book directly. This all work should be done in grammar portion, and learn the topics which are included in your bi-monthly syllabus. This is your homework. Your homework is to learn just those topics which are included in bi-monthly syllabus. Now let's discuss your bi-monthly syllabus. Which topics are included? From essay, you have to learn just one essay, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The rest of the three essays are not included in your bi-monthly syllabus. You have to learn just one essay, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and both of the applications. No letter is included, no story is included. But you have to learn both of these applications for your bi-monthly exams. Okay. And what about the rest of the topics of bi-monthly syllabus? We will discuss them later, inshallah, very soon. Till then, take care, class. Allah Hafiz.